Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a full-time income, 100% free, doesn't cost you anything, and we're doing it from Fiverr. Now I know what you're thinking, Fiverr, $5 gigs, you can't make a full-time income off of that. But I'm going to show you how, with a single gig, you can make $55, $100 every single time that you promote this gig. I go to a internet marketing forum called Black Hat World, and I stumbled across this method and I just could not believe it. This guy right here got a 40-acre ranch from his Fiverr earnings, right? Fiverr just bought me a 40-acre ranch, right? This post was from July 3rd, 2018, so this post is about 6 months old now. William702 is the guy that posted this. Big post here. It was eight different pages. Really good post. Now I'm going to explain the method, and then I'm going to go through some highlighted things on this post here so that you get to see exactly what this guy did to be able to get a 40-acre ranch in northern Arizona, right? Okay, so we're going to head over to Fiverr here, like I said, and we're not going to be grinding it out with $5 gigs, right? Fiverr, just like any other website, wants to generate traffic and get people to their site, right? They have an affiliate program. A lot of people don't know this, but they have an affiliate program, and their affiliate program is amazing. Alright, so if you scroll down to the bottom here, as you can see here, there's the affiliate right there, and go ahead and sign up to that. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and you're going to be off to the races, right? So what kind of stuff are they paying for, right? What do they want? Okay, so here's the list right here. It's about 15-20 different things that they're paying really good for. By the way, they're paying you at least a minimum of $15, right? If you see here it says code else, they're giving you $15 to get every new person to buy a gig. That's the trick here. They have to be a new person to the platform. They have to be a new person to Fiverr, right? But outside of the make money online kind of niche online here, not many people know about Fiverr. Fiverr's not like Amazon. Fiverr's not like YouTube. It's a relatively kind of unknown platform. And if you are new to business, you would love Fiverr. I know when I first started out, I didn't know how to make logos. I didn't know how to do a lot of these internet business type things, and that takes a lot of time to learn. It's very discouraging. Man, I wish I could have just paid $5 to get a logo for the different websites that I've had over the years, and I would have these crappy logos, and I went up on Upwork and paid $50, $60, $200 for these logos and all this stuff until I found Fiverr. I had no idea. So here's the list of all the different things you can do. So I'm going to show you one specific method. I don't know exactly what this guy did, but this is what I would particularly do. So if you look at here, they got e-commerce, right? E-commerce, you're going to get $50 to refer somebody to an e-commerce gig on Fiverr, right? Right there, black and white, $50, right? So I did a search on Fiverr. What kind of gigs are considered e-commerce, right? So here it is. I searched for e-commerce. We'll do it again so you can see. And I found the very first gig right here was I will do Photoshop editing for your e-commerce, right? So all this guy's doing is he's taking your crappy pictures, since you don't know what you're doing, and he's making them pretty, right? So this is the guy's product of a sneaker, right? It's got a simple black and white white background, and he's turning it into green, like Venet or whatever, right? Same thing here with this shoe. You got like this dull grayish background. He's making it this bright white, right? And he's charging $5. Now here's the trick. This is what you can do. You can promote this gig. You don't even have to do anything. You just drive traffic to this gig, and you're going to get $50 for every new person that signs up to Fiverr and does this, right? Or, and this is the even better option, you can start your own gig, and you can start this gig right here, right? So what I would do is I'd start a new gig, and I would do exactly what this guy's doing. Follow everything that he's doing. Don't copy it word for word, but emulate everything that he's doing. Now you have your own gig, so you're in control of the quality of the gig that you're trying to promote, right? And then I would come over to here to Facebook, and I did a simple Shopify. If you don't know what Shopify is, it's an e-commerce platform where they take care of 100% of everything for you. It's a website and a cash handling system, cash processor, all in one. So they can take credit cards for you, PayPal, all that kind of stuff. So it's a payment processor and a website all wrapped in one. It's really simple to do, right? And these are all the different Facebook groups based around Shopify, right? And there are literally like thousands of these groups, right? And as you can see here, you got 89,000, 76,000. Here in Shopify newbies, that's my first place where I'm going, 89,000, right? So you're going to join all these different groups, and you're going to start contributing. You're going to start talking to people, and you're going to help out people that are having problems with their product photos, right? So you just tell them every person that posts anything to do with their pictures, you're going to refer them to that gig. Say, hey, I had that problem too. Guess what? I went to this guy. Didn't have to worry about it again. I paid him $5. Every single ad that I ran was brilliant, awesome. Made $500 every time I posted. Blah blah blah. Right? And any person that signs up for your gig, you're going to make the $5 for the gig, but you're also going to make that $50 affiliate, and that's where you're going to really rake in the money. Right? So let's go back to William here, and I'm gonna show you exactly where I get some of these numbers from. Right? So he didn't grind it out, right? This is where I found this out, and this is where he's telling you right here. I am referring people to the affiliate program, so I didn't have to do anything other than place a few links in some threads I started elsewhere. So he went to some forums, and he promoted the Fiverr affiliate program. See, I don't know exactly. He doesn't tell you exactly what he was promoting, but he went into different forums, and he promoted his affiliate link for Fiverr, right? And if you come here, this is the money post right here, right? So he tells you right here, if you direct traffic to a specific gig, namely one that you control, you can offer a good service for cheap. It really helps to generate about a dozen sales a day. A dozen, make it 12 affiliate sales. The average earnings I'm getting from the affiliate program have been $320 a day over the last 30 days. So he's making about $320 a day from the affiliate program. Like I said, he's getting about a dozen sales a day, roughly $320 a day. So I don't know what he's promoting, but this is simple, guys. This is something that anybody could do. It's free. It doesn't cost anything to be able to do. And he explains it point blank what he does. Now he also tells you exactly how to get some traffic here. So he's telling you, yeah, I promoted a ton of gigs. I've seen the best results in conversion rates promoting my own, but I promote a lot of other gigs across the niches. So he was promoting other people's stuff and his own gigs. As for traffic, just go anywhere where small business owners are, and you'll be hard-pressed to find business owners that could not use at least 10 different services or gigs on Fiverr. Just throw a lot of stuff out there, see what sticks. This guy is telling you, he's giving you the keys to the castle on how to do this. Now, I picked up, when I seen this, I immediately went to Fiverr. I looked at the affiliate program, and the first thing that my eyes were drawn to were the e-commerce. Because I know how hot Shopify is and how long it'll be for the next 5 years at least, right? Because everybody wants to be their own business owner. Nobody wants to go to that 9 to 5 anymore. And I just simply went over to Facebook and bam. But there are a lot of different ways that you can do this, right? So I looked up, let's look up Whiteboard and explainer videos, because this was the very first one, and this is the one that I looked up. And you'd be surprised what people will pay for Whiteboard and explainer videos, right? So you could start a gig doing Whiteboard and explainer videos. And as you can see here, these guys are doing $25. I saw some gigs for $75, $85, $135. I even seen one for, there it is right there, $2,500. Now mind you, he only got 4 people to buy that, but you know, $600. This guy's got 44 different people that have reviewed it at $600. So I mean, there are tons of different stuff that you can do. I just chose the e-commerce one because I mean, you're doing basically Photoshop touch-ups, which that's a real simple thing to do. That's not really something that's really going to really break the concentration bank. It's something that you could pump out really quickly. And by the way, because you're getting all these affiliate commissions, you don't really need to pump out these gigs like left and right, but it'd be great, you know. Worst case scenario, you don't even have to do the gig yourself. You can have this guy do it for you. So once you start promoting this gig too, you know, you can jack up the price. So you start out at $5. Once you get like, you know, maybe 10, 15, 100 reviews, you jack it up to $10. And once you get, you know, 500 reviews, you jack it up to, you know, $20. So instead of making $55 every single referral, you're making, you know, $70, and that's where you're really going to start to really jack it in. So this guy's making $320 a day, 100% free. None of this costs anything. So that's going to be it for this. If you like stuff like this, give the video a like, give the channel a subscribe. I'm brand new. I'm starting to grow this channel. If you have any questions about this particular method, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.